Okay, so these guys are back. This is the police helicopter. It's just been hovering like that for the last 2 or 3 minutes. I've been hearing it flying around, just hovering. It was even closer than that. I had to clear my space again. Again, this is more harassment from the police. I guess in response to my videos. You see it's just hovering. There it goes. Okay. It's been hovering around for the last 10 minutes, out of sight mostly, and then it just decided to... it's fucking off now. It's funny how as soon as I start recording it, it fucks off, right? But yeah, more harassment again. After all the other crazy stuff that they've been doing. But that's the police one. But yeah, it was just hovering up there in front of my house. Now it's turned tail and ran. They don't want to be filmed, I guess, because they're probably monitoring my phone, so they know. Also, we got a visual. See the police van in the distance. There's a police van right down there, which they seem to be wanting to do. It's more street theatre. The aircraft is still there. Of course, it was more the same. This is your money, taxpayers' money, paying for the fuel to fly this thing. So this is just a vendetta by Derbyshirepolice for exposing this harassment that's been going on with me. And this is how they do it. They try to intimidate you using things like this. See, now it's coming back, right? But you'll be exposed for what you're doing. So they just want me to, I guess, see this thing. But yeah, this is what they've been doing all morning. Coming again, as you can see, right over my house. This is your taxpayers' money paying for this harassment. Okay. Okay, just like Sheffield. And that's what it's been doing, just been sat there. Yeah. They've probably been given the word to go. This is what they do. Yeah, it's too late. You're on camera. You can't just hide and run. Yeah, I noticed as soon as I started recording, they pulled away. Alright, but this is what they do. This is the intimidation tactics they do to try and scare you. I haven't yet uploaded all my videos to my computer, to YouTube. But yeah. Let me just check.